Hi everybody, let's see about heat and temperature. Heat and temperature. Heat is nothing but an energy in transfer between a system and its surrounding, which is caused by the temperature differences. Apart from this, heat is a kind of energy in which it can able to do its work. Temperature is a man-made arbitrary scale that indicates which direction heat is flowing and also in which specification the heat is going into the system. And along with this, temperature is considered to be a rising thing, or it is considered to be a heat leaving the system. That is nothing but the declination of temperature. Heat is measured with an instrument called calorimeter. Heat is not measured with a thermometer. Temperature is measured with a thermometer. Heat is measured in joules, whereas temperature is measured in degrees. Rather than the other side, if we consider the metal rod, the same procedure has been taken over here. When it is getting to be heated up, you can see how fast the metal it is getting to be absorbed and the heat is spreading up over here. So you can see how fast the heat is spreading up when compared to the glass which we have seen before. You can see it very clearly over here of how the experimentation of metal and glass has been done in the GTech laboratory. This is all because of the statement, metals are amazing at conducting. There are some key points to remember. The transfer of heat by particles colliding with each other, and the particles are very close together in solids when compared to liquids than in gas. And metals are the best of the solids for conducting because they have got